much. Welcome back to the Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market. Yesterday we saw so much great furniture, and we're here today to see another wonderful day of furniture. If you missed our broadcast yesterday, you can find it on Facebook or YouTube.
Yeah, and we were able to listen into two great designers that were able to give us tips of the design trends that are happening in the industry, how they're shifting away from more of the bright colors and towards some of the warmer colors. Great segment to watch. And then another one that helped just with how can you make your showroom pop? What are some different strategies that you can use, things to pay attention to that when people walk in that they're not going to want to walk out right away. And then lastly, we talked about just some of the ability of some of the builders to be able to customize different pieces that we can use that are not just the traditional dining room or bedroom furniture, but other areas that you can use to be able to put in your showroom to offer to your customers outside of just the norm. So lots of customization, lots of different features, lots of different things that are available there. So today, we're looking at a lot of other furniture builders, a lot of different areas that great furniture that we're going to be able to show you. We are in two different buildings here, and we've got another building outside of town that we're working on. And really what we're trying to show you is the community of builders that have been established here. Now what's incredible is my co-host, Kelsey, is also part of a company locally that has been part of a community, done a great job of building that community, and we've asked her to share some of those different things on community and the traditions that they have with her company, Keim.
Thanks, Jordan. That's right. So when I'm not here at the market, I work for Keim, formerly known as Keim Lumber. Now, if you've never been to Keim, stop in for a visit. We are a lumber, home, and hardware store, and actually one who supplies many of the furniture makers here at the market. At Keim, we're a 4-generation family-owned business, and it started 100 years ago when there were just 4 employees, and today we have more than 500. We work with homeowners, woodworkers, and contractors all around Ohio. But we're here at the furniture market really to support these hard-working craftsmen and women that have made the furniture that we see here today. Specifically for the furniture shops, we can help with color samples, quality coding, name brand functional and decorative hardware, along with hardwood lumber, molding, and custom millwork, and domestic plywood. But if you're looking for a unique, one-of-a-kind, live-edge furniture for your store, come to Keim. We have hundreds of live-edge slabs in our inventory that you can view at keimhome.com. But nothing beats the experience of walking through our slab inventory. It's amazing, really a sight to see. But what really sets Keim apart is our expertise and our servant's heart. If you come to Keim, we'll walk you through our woodshed with over 130 different types of domestic and exotic wood, and we'll sit down with you at our stain lab, and we'll find exactly what you need to help make your business successful. At Keim, we aim to inspire others to fulfill their dreams and goals, and we do everything that we can to help support our local furniture makers here at the market. So let me tell you a little bit about how the market began and a few reasons why I think that you need to come next year. So, if you've ever been to Holmes County in the fall, it does not take you long to notice the rolling hills and the shocks of wheat. These are the telltale signs of an abundant harvest. For years, the hard-working community was built, was built around the Amish farm. And when the grandfather was no longer able to farm, he and his wife would move to the Dottie house, a small house near his adult children. And there he would keep himself busy making furniture for his sons and daughters. But with time, the farmland became scarce, and there really wasn't enough farmland to support the entire family. So naturally, the grandfathers and then later the sons started selling the furniture that they made. And for 4 generations, Keim has supplied these woodworking shops with the lumber, tools, and the hardware that they need. Today, Keim continues to work with hundreds of furniture shops in the region. These furniture shops, both large and small, specialize in selling quality, handcrafted furniture. Now, what they don't specialize in, not all of them anyway, is marketing. But that's okay because everyone has their gifts. And that's why Keim has helped to begin the Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market. And together we can promote the furniture business's brand and most notably, the locally handcrafted work. Because at Keim, we know that the success of Keim is built on the success of those around us. So really, there are three attributes that have led to the success of these furniture makers. One is their incredibly hard work, and the other two are their variety and their quality. So when I think of handcrafted furniture, my mind goes back to my grandfather's woodworking shop, where he made white quarter-sawn oak in the honey-colored stain. And really, that's the same traditional style that many furniture stores in Ohio's Amish country have been making for years, until now. These styles that you see all around us at the Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market have changed a lot since they began 7 years ago. And I hope that you've seen at the market, you can find a variety of colors and styles and designs for your home. If you stop by Keim's booth this year, we'll show you what happens when you combine live edge slabs with epoxy. And the result is a stunningly modern epoxy river table. It's absolutely beautiful. And that's just one of the many styles that can be found here. From traditional to contemporary to modern farmhouse or mid-century modern, it really can all be found at the Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market. Now, this is my first time at the market, and I can truly say that it is an inspiring experience to be here. We've met the furniture makers with decades of experience and specialization, and so you know that the end product is something that you can count on to last. So in my own home, there are really two types of furniture. There's my grandmother's dining room table in a 1950s style and our new live edge coffee table. And then there's that cheap stuff that looks good, but it really doesn't last. It's pretty bad, actually. And at the Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market, what you get is quality. Quality is not something that you can get at Target or IKEA. This furniture is furniture that is built to last, and it's also built locally. So when you come to the market, you'll find variety, you'll find quality, and you'll also find a thriving local community. And that is because so many people here choose to support local businesses. When you buy from one of these businesses, the money goes to support the local, hardworking families in rural communities all around Ohio. And what's more, the dollars you spend stay in the community and strengthen the local economy. So when you pay for a dining room set, for example, from one of these vendors, part of the profit goes to support the workers and their families, and another portion goes to support the materials. But when these materials are also bought from a local company like Keim or another lumber store, it goes to support those hardworking families. And then you think about advertising, banking, insurance, and when all of these are local, it raises the community up, one business at a time. So these are a few reasons why I think that you need to come to the market next year. The 2021 Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market next year will be March 20 through 21st. And you'll find quality, you'll find variety, and most of all, you will leave knowing that you are supporting a local, hardworking community. Thank you.